Above you will see some more functions, such as the heart rate symbol. That is indicating the available heart rate monitors. Here we have already selected and fixed the digital Polar H10 heart rate monitor. There is also some basic settings that can be changed within the training. You can change the language, but you can also change the units. For example, from miles per hour to meters per second. And the same for distance, like in miles. The third button is a screenshot button. If there is a USB stick connected to the treadmill, you can press the screenshot button and this will create a picture on this USB stick of the whole screen. This can be used for documentation very well. Last but not least, there is an ID number that can be entered. Either enter it manually or use an NFC tech. Hold it to the treadmill and this ID will be implemented automatically.